We are going to be preparing 5-iodovanillin. There are a few ways to do this reaction, and we're using the exact method from JCS 37401958. First, we start by weighing out 10 grams of potassium iodide and 5 grams of sodium bicarbonate into a beaker. We then weigh out 7.5 grams of pure vanillin powder. Pure vanillin is available under the Rovanil brand at professional bakery suppliers. Next, we weigh out and prepare 12.6 grams of solid iodine. First, we place a magnetic stir bar in the beaker containing the potassium iodide and bicarbonate and add 200 ml of water, then stir to dissolve. Now add the vanillin to the well-stirred solution. This won't dissolve, but it will form a suspension in the liquid. Now add the iodine to the suspension, one portion at a time. You should immediately see a yellow color as some of the iodine dissolves in the potassium iodide solution to form the I3- ion, which is the reactive species. Keep adding the iodine, and the color will change to orange, and the vanillin in suspension will appear yellow in color. Not all the iodine will dissolve immediately. The mixture should be left stirring for 2 hours, after which you'll see the solid iodine at the bottom of the beaker slowly dissolve and react. After 2 hours, we're left with a yellow solid and a dark red solution. There's still some free iodine in here, and also some unreacted vanillin, so we need to clean our product up. Vacuum filter and dry the yellow solid, then wash with 50 ml of a very dilute sodium thiosulfate solution, followed by 50 ml of cold water. Dry the solid as much as you can on the filter, but be warned, this stuff doesn't like to dry. We then dry the damp tin-colored solid by putting it in a sealed container containing calcium chloride granules. After a few days it had dried fairly well and was ready for recrystallization. We recrystallized using a boiling mixture of 20% ethanol and 80% isopropyl alcohol. The solid took around 200 ml of boiling solvent, but dissolved completely without any residue. On cooling for 2 hours, a massive needle-like pale colored crystals was produced in the solution. Filter these and dry as much as you can again on the pump. Once again, you'll find that the crystals just don't want to get dry and have a flaky consistency, which makes it difficult to tell if they are actually dry. Remove the crystals, place in a beaker, and use a vacuum desiccator to get a completely dry product if you need it. Our finished product was a pale tan, almost gold-colored solid with an almost quantitative yield from the starting vanillin. The product only has a very faint vanillin aroma. This is a useful intermediate compound which can be used to make 5-hydroxyvanillin and also seringaldehyde. Stay tuned.